I'm writing about math that I learned from Mr. LaBelle. He's got me thinking about math even after the bell. Pi times the radius squared always equals c. If you're looking for slope, use y equals mx plus b. Just don't let the slope be undefined. That's when the graph shows up with the vertical line. I can't believe I found the one for me. It's a girl I know, goes by geometry. But that's not all, I know algebra too. If you stick around, I can salvage a clue. Shapes and angles are a thing of the past. Algebra's in, and I think it's gonna last. From linear to quadratic, it's not a big change. But now I check the graph to find the domain and the range. Sequences and series, geo and arithmetic. Now I know how to check probability before I bet it. Pre-algebra, algebra, then algebra 2. Solving systems of equations is the only thing we do. Don't worry about me, I know how to handle conics. I don't think you can handle that I got handles fast as Sonic. For the first time in my life, letter squared equals a number. I squared equals -1, why I really wonder. Can't ever forget about the good old Pythagorean theorem. Uncompleted triangles, I'll admit that I used to fear them. Now I got the three-sided shape figured out, so they fear me, and I can solve for all three of the sides and angles clearly. Time to do some foiling, I'm talking multiplication. First outer, inner last, the motto of Math Nation. For an arithmetic sequence, use a1 plus n minus 1 times d. If you don't know why something works, just remember BMIB. For those of you who don't know, that's because math is beautiful. Don't have a negative exponent, that's unconstitutional. I won't deny it, for me this year wasn't so hot. At least I was taught how to use my stat plot. I'll ask you nicely to disregard the 50 on my midterm and use the formula so you can solve for the 5th term. But if you leave the class, there's only one thing that you learn. It's that if you sit next to Shane, you're guaranteed a 3rd degree burn.